We stayed at Valley Vista RV Resort in Benson, Arizona. It's an encore resort. It has a heated pool. Very nice place. It's not really huge, but it's only about 45 minutes from Tucson. They have a lot of pull-through, so it's big rig friendly, and we got all our toys in our site, even including our big truck. If you want to do some touring in that area, I recommend going to Tombstone, Bisbee, the Dragoon Amerind Museum and Park, and the Kartchner Caverns. Later on the video, I'll talk about a couple of good places to go eat in Benson. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. In Tombstone, make sure you go to East Allen Street because that's where all the action is taking place. We are in Tombstone, Arizona. This is the real deal here. These buildings are old. You guys gives you a history of the town as you ride. Ooh, look at the hats in there, Dave.
It's right inside, folks.
Have the sarsaparilla.
Big Nose Kate's Saloon. Big Nose Kate's Saloon is supposed to be the best cowboy bar in the West. They have live music, great food, and we thoroughly enjoyed their Reuben sandwich. We're at Gypsum Oil and Vinegar in Tombstone, and we are in the spicy room.
He gets a little bit warmer.
It gets in the back of the throat just a little.
Yep.
It's going to get me.
Yeah.
I can feel it going down the side of my tongue right
Yeah,
now.
there you go. I told you, it's a sneaky.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sneaking up on you.
Yeah, it's coming around the corner.
Yeah. That's children for you.
I heard a little sniffle there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got a little punch to it?
I'll tell you what, it's good, though. It's one of those where you can't stop eating it, because if you do, that's when it really gets hot.
Yeah.
The Birdcage Theater was opened in December of 1881, and they had all kinds of different entertainment, including a woman with the iron jaw. She used to pick up really heavy objects with her teeth. They had comic singers, and they also had the longest poker game in history. It was $1,000 up front back then. It played continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It continued from 1881 to 1889 for a total of 8 years. The theater is reported to be haunted, and it was featured in the show Ghost Hunters on television back in 2006 and Ghost Adventures in 2009 and 2015. And they even have a sign there that if you have any orbs or mists and odd things in your pictures, to let them know about it. The ride into Bisbee was very pretty. The Bisbee community was founded in 1880, and it quickly grew due to the booming mining industry. Today, it's great for visitors, for birders, hikers, wine tasters, music appreciators, and it's just a fun place to visit. Amerind Museum is very close to that park, and it's a museum and research facility dedicated to the preservation and interpretation of Native American cultures and their histories. We went in on Monday and they are closed. However, we were told that the picnic area is very nice. They have these huge rock formations. So we did go there and thoroughly enjoyed visiting that area. The Kartchner Caverns State Park is very close to Valley Vista Park that we stayed at, close to Tucson, and it features 2.4 miles of passages. We were unable to attend because we ran out of time, but I've got a few pictures to share with you. It would be a good place to visit if you're in the area. The Mikasa Mexican restaurant in downtown Benson is only open a few days a week. It's a very small restaurant, but the food is authentic and it's really good. It's actually hard to find this place. It's right next to the Rock Shop. In downtown Benson, Arizona, we ate at the Horseshoe Cafe, which have great sandwiches. And not too far right down across the street, you can go to the Old Benson Ice Cream Stop. They have 50 flavors of soft serve and multiple hard ice cream as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.